The Urban Garage is no ordinary car dealership, it's an automotive experience. We offer expert service in a friendly environment at more reasonable prices than the franchise dealers. At our service and tire division, we have invested in state-of-the-art technology and the best people to give you the best possible service. It's at the core of our approach. Do it right the first time. No compromises, no shortcuts. That's the Urban Garage difference. If you love cars, you'll enjoy a visit to our boutique sales and leasing facility at 1439 Clyde Avenue in West Vancouver. Come experience that difference and see why friends send friends to the Urban Garage.